Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about Derecho type of wind. Ang nangyari dito, the other day, wala kaming internet connection, kaya hindi ako nakapag-LS kasi yung damage sa Derecho na type of wind. Yung pangalan sa wind na yan is Derecho. Yung Derecho sa atin is tuloy-tuloy lang, di ba? Derecho. So, itong Derecho na to nag-iwan ng maraming damages sa lugar na pupuntahan namin kasi we are thankful na naiwas kami. Mga ilang miles lang ata yun ang nangyari doon sa ibang lugar. Sa amin internet lang ang nawala. Sa ibang lugar wala talaga silang kuryente kasi damage lahat, mga bahay. Okay, so yung Derecho is type of wind na para siyang, ang force niya ay parang hurricane, parang tornado, pero yung tornado is pa ganon, yung pa circle. Itong Derecho na type of wind, siya pa diretso lang siya, king damage, mag-iwan talaga ng malaking damage. So, yun ang pupuntahan namin. Tingnan natin.
Oh, fire truck going by. Oh, see that apartment building? Look at the roof on that apartment building.
Oh my goodness, let's go over there. Oh no, there's a lot of... Oh, there's incident here. Is it just happened?
I don't know.
That was
Look at that, let's go over
the
there.
road's closed there anyhow, so I can't go that way.
Look, there's the house that lost
Oh,
all its
look
insulation.
at those. Look at those
Yeah.
trees. Oh, that one.
Do you see that apartment?
Love, let's go that way.
Yeah, do you see the apartment?
Oh,
Did you
look
get the apartment building?
Front of the
Look at
building
this
is-
apartment. It's really... Oh, look at guys. Look at this, yung mga kahoy pinutol sa sa thunder.
Oh, look at that.
So
Crushed the guy's lawn tractor.
Oh my goodness. I
Indian
think
just got lucky.
there's
Oh yeah, we missed it by like 15 miles is all.
yeah, we just missed it.
The only thing we lost was internet for 2 days. I think we ended up pretty good all in all.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at these trees. Grabe ang bagyo dito. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's an incident here. Oh, look at that
the
trees.
whole trees.
Yeah. Somebody's hurt over here apparently.
Oh, somebody hurt here.
Apparently, maybe they were trying to clean up and cut themselves with a chainsaw because there's a chainsaw on the ground.
Oh, that was
Ooh, no, someone's
may
stuck
incident
underneath
dyan,
the
guys.
Huh?
Keep going,
branch.
love.
Someone's stuck underneath something. and-
No, he's not under the branch. I think he might have cut himself with the chainsaw because I can't remember. It's
Look at
Branch.
this. Oh,
Derecho or something like that.
look at this,
Yeah.
guys.
Derecho.
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 That tree got.
Oh my
That
goodness.
tree got killed.
Wow, they have a big damage.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at that school. Look at the school over there.
What?
Look at the roof over there.
Okay, let's go over there. I don't
We
know.
don't. We're not going to go in there. But look at that. That's from elementary school building right
Look
there.
at that, guys. Oh, yung
That brick
nila
wall does
yung
not look like it's made out of brick.
it's ruined.
Yeah, they said that the majority of the schools in Cedar Rapids are damaged.
Wow. Looks like they don't have electricity.
No, they don't. They don't.
Wala.
Power
Look at
lines down
this.
on the ground.
Oh, Yun,
Not on the
yung
ground. They
yung
look like
iba.
they just turn themselves
Oh,
into
look at
wax
that.
again.
Oh wow! Look at all of this
Oh
stuff.
my goodness, good
Oh,
thing.
look over there! Look over there!
Oh.
My God.
Grabe. Oh, slow down, love. Grabe yung kahoy, kahit yung kahoy, oh. Tingnan yung kahoy, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo.
Yeah. Do you see that building over there
Where
by the
is
blue
it?
house? Look at that.
It's completely collapsed over.
You see that?
Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, look at that.
Probably
Jeez.
many
Yung mga-
tens of millions of dollars are worth of damage.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that.
Another school.
Another school.
Completely either blocked off.
Tingnan
or
yung
one
mga
of the
kahoy,
one
oh.
side of
Ay,
the
naku
windows,
talaga.
A tree went through one of the windows.
Yeah.
Step light.
Oh, I don't think I'm gonna go this way.
Biscuit.
Hold on.
Careful.
That's
Oh.
pretty much blocked. So I was gonna cut over there.
Oh.
Well,
Grabe.
Rip the siding off that house. Well, that wasn't a hurricane. It was a Derecho.
But it's kind of like a hurricane.
Well, actually, they said it's a combination of a hurricane and a tornado.
So
It actually stays on the ground longer than tornadoes.
longer. That's
Yeah.
not good.
Oh, wow.
My, that
Oh,
I think
oh,
I've gotta,
let's
I
go
gotta
over
go back
there.
over that way.
That house is
Wow, look at all of this stuff.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Wow.
Wow. I mean,
Oh my goodness. This street here is really bad. Let's go that way, love. I don't know if we can go
can't
that way.
look at that. It's totally blocked the road.
the tree.
Oh,
I thought the
look
road
at
was just
this.
blocked because of the cement. No, the tree.
Oh my
Hold it
goodness.
down.
It
Power lines
was really scary because I'm like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, but there was
We
a
should be thankful that it didn't do that in Independence.
No, that was
there
just
was a whole house where
internet.
the roof was like, it was completely gone. The house was
Oh.
dead.
Oh, look at the funeral home here. They got
oh, we can.
that's upstairs. There is where I lived when I was doing my funeral
Oh,
director
is that-
internship.
Is that
You
the
were
one?
here before?
Love,
Yeah.
let's go back to the house.
Wait. No, we can't go there.
Well, I have to go back, but yeah, a lot of damage there.
Grabe talaga, guys, yung
But there was a
damage na.
jacuzzi bathtub that I had there and a fireplace. It was a real nice apartment that they gave me as a student.
Jacuzzi. You're lucky.
Goodness. Oh, that's really scary. Hopefully they're fine.
Hopefully.
Oh, kawawa yung mga tao dito. So, tingnan natin, guys, yung bahay na ano siya talaga. Ito, kahoy.
That
Yeah,
house.
that,
Ay, naku talaga.
not a good time to be an insurance company.
No, this is not a good time for the insurance company.
It's a good time to have insurance.
Ayun,
It's
oh, yung
definitely
mga,
a good time to have insurance.
but the company is not happy with it. Oh, look at
Oh,
this.
look at this one.
Oh,
Look at how it's pulled out of the ground.
okay,
That
okay,
huge tree.
okay. Stay. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, tingnan mo yung bahay na ano siya. Ay, naku talaga. Oh. Grabe.
And UPS is still delivering.
Well, hey.
Yeah.
The UPS is doing its job.
Yeah,
That's a good thing.
it is.
Kahit na wala nang mga tao dun sa bahay.
I'm gonna turn around so you can get a view on that other one real quick.
Yeah, where is the house that we saw? Grabe, ang dami talagang na ano, hindi na madaanan ng mga road. Kasi ano na,
Listen. Okay.
grabe oh.
Wow. Did you get that tree and back that we didn't see going by the first time.
Grabe. So at after a few days, it's gonna be bright in here because
There's no trees.
there's no trees.
Yeah.
Well, at least there's no trees.
Wouldn't you like to be in a tree trimming business right now?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Look at how that's on the power
Oh,
lines.
this one. Hold on. Want this? Look at guys. Look at. Oh, look at yung puno hanggang. Oh my goodness. Look at that house. Poor house.
Poor people.
Poor people.
Okay, here's where I was.
Hopefully they're fine.
You said you couldn't see because it was
See,
behind
look
you.
at this. Hindi na
That's a road.
madaanan.
That's a through road.
You
Hindi
can't
na
tell
to-
because the trees collapsed a little.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hindi na to madaanan guys
All
kasi
kinds of roof damage.
Oh.
Everywhere you look is roof damage.
oh,
Side damage.
look at the
Yeah.
look at that roof. Yung orange, yung wala nang ano niyan. Wala na.
That's not-
Treat the they just clean it.
Oh, look, the bricks got knocked off the chimney.
Oh, look at the hold on.
Yikes.
Oh, look at the bricks guys.
It busted the chimney.
Oh, wala na yung cover.
The chimney's crooked.
Ano na lang, yung pipe na lang. Oh, look at the hold on. Oh, did you see that? Oh, the wire
Careful, Don.
na ano siya.
His twigs.
Oh, look
Yeah.
at the electricity
These trees are
na.
suffering, man.
Oh my goodness. So wala talaga silang ano dito, walang kuryente. Grabe. Kawawang mga bahay dito. Grabe.
Oh, you can hear him. Yeah, the Wi-Fi hears a little shot too.
Ay, naku talaga. Oh. Probably there is a lot
Structural
of
damage because of the tree falling on it.
oh look
They're
at that.
afraid
There's
that-
a hold on. There is a open it love. I cannot see it. But that orange guys,
Says
Um,
do not enter.
oo, hindi na papasukan yung bahay na yan kasi grabe ang damage. Baka mahulugan sila. Oo, yun. Yan din o.
There. Station can't pump gas because of no electricity.
Oh, there's no electricity, so walang gas. Yung mga tindahan hindi nakapag-operate kasi walang ano. It keep going. Oh, look at the there's another car.
Yeah, that back of the car smashed up pretty bad.
Wow.
And this semi truck's laying on its side.
Wow, that was really bad.
Leastwise, it laid on the passenger side, so the driver's probably okay.
Probably that was from the the thunderstorm, don't you think? Huh?
What was that?
You're talking because of you. Probably that was because of the thunderstorm.
Because of the windstorm,
Of the
yeah.
windstorm? Oh my goodness. Yeah. That's scary.
Okay, so this windstorm, as we saw, had some really serious damage. I haven't heard on the news that anybody got injured, but I would imagine that somebody got hurt with all of that damage, but I haven't heard for sure. I do know that we were blessed in Independence. All we had to do was deal with no internet for 2 days, and we really didn't get any damage. So We definitely were blessed in not getting hit by the storm like they did.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our
Thanks
video.
for watching the video, and don't get into a storm like that. It's not fun.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, yeah, what she said.
No, say it.
Oh, subscribe and like and do all that kind of stuff.